What do we? Whoa, pow! Ka-chow! Bam!
Eat that, Snow!
Hey, guys, welcome to the new Revolt garage. We're still moving, so pardon the mess back here. It's still a little bumpy, but we haven't stopped working. With me today is my really good friend, Jeff Costa. Jeff, welcome back to Southern California.
Love the new shop.
It's a lot of work. The floor's done. We got everything going. This is our new project. It is a 1966 Chevy Nova. Jeff was one of our first clients, and he put this car together, and now it's time for us to wire it up. We're going to make this a little bit different this time. What do we do?
Well, you basically got Carte Blanche with it.
The heck did he call him?
I did not realize that you were so cultured.
All right, him and his fancy words.
Words are spoken.
No words were spoken. All right, what does that mean?
Basically, the owner is kind of let you do what you want to do to it.
That is awesome. So we're going to go through this build with you guys, start to finish. We want to hear what you guys want to do with this thing. Colors. What could we do with that? I mean,
Yeah, he's really open to any suggestions. I like the fact that, let your viewers kind of give you some ideas.
any colors he doesn't want?
Anything but black.
That's some racist.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, anything but black. It cannot be black. So we actually want to reach out to you guys, and we're going to do that a lot with this build. We're going to go through everything kind of from front to back. We're going to go through interiors, bucket seats. Do we do a bench seat? Do we do house too? Do we want to do rear seat? Do we want to do a lot of different things? Steering wheels. We'll kind of have you guys feed us your flavor of choice. What colors? We're literally building this car from almost the ground up. I mean, you started and you got the motor in. We got radiators in. We got some of the 12 volt already wired. We are going to be putting our brand new RPM series batteries in this car. So those are Revolt Performance Series batteries. They're race spec. They're super hard hitting. We want this car to really not only turn some heads, but it performed very, very well. So this should be actually faster than Mustang when we get finished with it. You got Chassisworks already on here. So what have you done so far to this thing?
Basically, this car has gone through 3 different owners. It's been at my shop for quite some time. And the new owner, I've done a couple vehicles for him already, brought to his attention when I met you guys through SEMA a few years back. Showed him some pictures and asked him if he wanted to go electric. It was supposed to get an LS in it. And he was really super excited about going ahead and teaming up with you guys and doing the electric conversion in it. After we proceeded and did a deal with you, now I thought it was a good opportunity to bring the car down so you guys could go ahead and do the best at what you do. Awesome. To the car. And he's a really good guy. We'll bring him down here at some point in time. And kind of that's about it.
Well, it looks like you got some really good stuff on there. I'm seeing, custom-made radiators, rack and pinion, tubular control arms, upper and lower. I see the coilovers, and not to mention, custom steering setup, Wilwood brakes. And under this thing, under it is even cleaner than the top. Jeff and I spent some time under here doing brakes and stuff. And, of course, you got the Revolt motor. So
What's the rear?
This is going to be nice.
What's rear in this thing?
It's got a Fab 9 in it.
Okay, Fab.
It's basically everything. Yeah, it was the last one Dee's built, and he's not doing them anymore. Chris Alston basically supplied us all the suspension work. So front end clip, sheet metal, rear end, all the coilovers, basically everything you see here.
For those of you guys that don't know who this is Jeff Costa from Sonoma County Street Rodz. He builds some amazing stuff up there. Cars, trucks. I mean, you have a Rolodex of clients that is extremely impressive. One famous car that you had your hands on for a while, Tow Mater from the movie Cars. The original one, the one actually what Disney
It was at Disneyland.
is Disneyland. I actually got to be in that truck. It was pretty cool, the big tow truck. So this guy it's a pleasure to have people like you to work with. We learned a lot from you, and you helped us from the very beginning of Revolt to where we are today. And I can't say enough good things about people like this in the industry. We're no longer friends. We're family. And we're going to keep it that way. And, you know, we've met so many people over the years.
Yeah.
We had Lawson from AM in here, Molokai
Earlier today.
and just our family keeps on growing. And we got Hot Dog from Hot Dog Customs. We have ABS Fabrication now. He's going to be touching this car. You're in good hands, my friend.
Oh, absolutely.
And
There's a reason why I'm here.
Yeah, and I learned that from you, and I'm going to keep taking that to the next level. And we want to hear more from you guys. Colors, interior, how to do things, what you guys want to see on the car. The wheels are already on it, and these are the wheels that stay on there. Yes. That's already been kind of picked out. But everything else from here, let's go have some fun with this build. It's probably going to be a year-long process, and it's going to be killered. Give us some feedback. Like it, talk some smack, don't, whatever, but we do want some interaction with this one. We want you guys to kind of hold the keys and see what we could do with this Winter.
Like, subscribe, comment.
We'll see you guys soon. Follow this along.